Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word affection. This is a C1 level noun, and it refers to a feeling of love or liking. It's a word that beautifully captures the warmth and positivity we feel toward the people, animals, or even things we care about. To put it simply, affection is an emotional connection that makes you feel close to someone or something. You might show affection through a smile, a hug, or even just kind words. For example, if you say, "I have a deep affection for my grandmother," it means you love and care for her deeply. Some synonyms for affection include fondness, love, warmth, and caring. For instance, her fondness for animals was evident in the way she cared for her pets, or their relationship was full of warmth and mutual respect. Each of these words captures a slightly different shade of meaning, but still connects to the idea of positive feelings. On the other hand, antonyms of affection are words like indifference, coldness, and hostility. If someone says, "He treated her with indifference," ignoring her feelings, it shows a lack of emotional connection. Similarly, her coldness toward her coworkers made her seem unapproachable, is a stark contrast to the warm and caring nature of affection. In everyday life, you might use affection to describe your feelings for family members, close friends, or even pets. For example, she expressed her affection by baking cookies for everyone, or his affection for his dog was clear as he played fetch with it every evening. These sentences show how affection can be a natural and heartwarming part of our relationships. Here are a few more examples of affection in sentences. The teacher's affection for her students made her classroom a welcoming place. He showed his affection for his partner with small, thoughtful gestures. The child held her teddy bear with great affection, finding comfort in its presence. That's it for today's episode, where we've explored the word affection, what it means, its synonyms, antonyms, and how it's used in daily life. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, here's a fun challenge. Try using the word affection in a sentence of your own and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and spreading positivity.